Hey everybody, Brent from Brenspeed, Boss 302 Mustang. So the 2012, 2013 Boss 302 Mustangs were awesome vehicles, and what do we love to do to these? Supercharge them. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify, and don't forget everything I tell you today about the parts. I want to put links in the description so you can read more about it, but here's what we have going on. These cars from the factory lay down about 379 rear wheel horsepower. We like adding about 200 of that. So we target, about 200 of the tires. We're gonna pull this thing in. We're gonna make a couple dyno pulls, show you the numbers, take a look at what we've done to this car. So stick around. All right, I'm gonna say that post drive today, probably one of the best post drives I've had this week after an install, because Boss 302, our heat index today is 105. It's crazy. I saw that window down, arm out, cruising. I want to show you this Roush Supercharger. I've Doug with me. Come down, check it out. Hey, you cannot contact Roush to get this kit. This is something that we have a conversion for, but it's the Roush 2300 TVS Supercharger. You get 47-pound fuel injectors, colder spark plugs, the Roush cold air intake, our spine 82 millimeter supercharger pulley, about 9-10 pounds of boost, an upgraded idler, and a booster pump. We also installed on this car right here a high flow fan, cooler thermostat. Besides that, the car's stock. So this came in 0 mods. I think it's about 24,000 miles. Of course, running 93 octane. So it's basically our Roush Supercharger package, fan, thermostat, like the basics. Great way to add a couple hundred horsepower. Let's check out these dyno pulls. All right, numbers are in. Remember, came in stock, 93 octane, our Roush package, and a cooling fan thermostat. Here we go, 593 real horsepower on our DynoJet SAE at almost 7,300 RPM. Torque came in at 490 at 5,900 RPM. Now, I'm pleased with those numbers. I'm pleased with those numbers on a good day, but again, 105 heat index today. I'm dying in the dyno cell. Pretty hot outside, of course, obviously. But all in all, even on a nice day, those are decent numbers. Typically, when you do a package like this, and let's say you run some headers, free-flowing exhaust on a good air, 625, 630 the tires, not a problem. So 593 is stellar. And Doug, one more time, look at this torque. This torque, right when I go wide open throttle, we're over 450 at 3,000 RPM. That makes this car super fast. And hey, if you go out road racing or into that, that'll be a lot of fun. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. You can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's this cost to get installed? We have these kits for normal GT Mustangs, F-150s, doesn't matter. Thanks for watching.